Hello, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us solve this example as part of geometric progressions. Given a geometric progression with a equal to 729 and seventh term equal to 64, find s of 7. So what we know? We know there is a geometric progression in which the first term is 729. So a is given as 729 and we know seventh term is 64. That means we know a7 is nothing but equal to 64. We have to find out s7. What is the formula for sn? Sn is nothing but equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now I should know r, then only I can go find out what is s7. Now to find out r, I will leverage a7 equal to 64. Now what is the formula for a7? a7 formula is based on an equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So a7 is nothing but equal to a into r to the power of 6. That's nothing but equal to 729 into r to the power of 6. But this is equal to nothing but equal to 64. That means, can I say 729 r to the power of 6 equal to 64. Now I have to find out the value of r, right? So what I will do, I will write it as r to the power of 6 equal to 64 by 729. Now I have to write this number to the something base and the power should be 6 so that I can get the value of r. Now you can see here this seems to be familiar. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 8 is nothing but equal to 64. So I can write it as 2 power 6. Similarly, 729, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Again I have multiplying with 27. 27 into 27 is 729. So I can write it as r to the power of 6 is nothing but equal to 2 power 6 by 3 power 6. Or I can say r to the power of 6 equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power of 6, which gives me r equal to 2 by 3. Now we have a, we know r, we can easily find out what is the value of s7. Now s7 is nothing but equal to, substituting in the formula, a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. That's nothing but equal to a is 729 into r is nothing but equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power of 7 minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 minus 1. We have to do little bit of work here. We'll finish it up. 729. Now you know here 2 by 3 whole to the power of 6 is nothing but equal to 64 by 729, right? Now whole to the power of 7 means what I should do? I should multiply again with 2 and 3 here, right? So I can say, with a little bit of work, I can say that it's nothing but equal to 128 divided by 3 7s are 21, 29 is 87. So I can say 2187 minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 minus 1. So let's simplify this one. This is nothing but equal to 729 into 128 minus 2187 divided by 2187 into 2 by 3 minus 1. That's nothing but equal to minus 1 by 3, or I can say it as minus 3. Now this is nothing but equal to 729 into 3 by 2187 minus into minus 2187 minus 128 is 2059. Negative negative will become positive. This whole thing will cancel. 729 into 3 is 2187. So that will give you your answer equal to 2059. Nothing to worry about this all calculation. More important is whether we got the value of a and r. We know what is the formula to substitute. Then afterwards it's just simple calculation. Okay. So S7 is nothing but equal to 2059. Now how we have progressed with this problem? We know a, we have to find out R, then only we can find out S7. To get R, we have A7 equal to 64. We know A, we know A7 value, find out R. Once you get R, you know A, you know R, substitute in S7. A little bit of simplification, after that you will get your value. S7 is nothing but equal to 2059. Let's solve one more problem. This is the problem we have. Find four numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than first term by 9 and the second term greater than the fourth by 18. So there is a comparison between the terms. So let us write down those terms. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. Okay. Now let us say the first one is A, the second one is AR, the third one is AR square and the fourth one is AR cube. These are the four. Now what is given to us? Given to us, and we also know that this you can call it as A1, A2, A3, A4 because you are at the first, second, third position. Now what is given to us? Given to us A3 is greater than A1 by 9. So I know A3 minus A1 is equal to 9. I also know second term is greater than fourth by 18. That means A2 minus A4 equal to 18. Now let us see by substituting the values of A1, A2, A3 what we are going to get. A3 minus A1 equal to 9. So can I say AR square minus A equal to 9. A3 minus A1 equal to 9. Similarly, A2 minus A4 is 18. A2 is AR minus A4 is AR cube equal to 18. So I can take A common here. I will have A into R square minus 1 equal to 9. If I take AR common here, I will have AR into 1 minus R square equal to 18. Now let this be your first equation and let this be your second equation. Now we see very clearly that if I divide 2 by 1, I will cancel out R square minus 1. I will also cancel out A. I can directly find out the value of R. That's very interesting. So I will do 2 by 1 and I will see what happens. 2 by 1 is nothing but AR into 1 minus R square divided by A into R square minus 1. That's nothing but equal to A cancels out. R square minus 1 and 1 minus R square is nothing but equal to minus 1. So this is nothing but equal to 18 by 9. That gives me minus R equal to 2 because 9 2 times R equal to minus 2. Now once I know R equal to minus 2, I can substitute in the first equation to get A. So I will say A into 4 because 2 square is 4, R is minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 1 equal to 9. That will give me 3A equal to 9, which will give me A equal to 3. Now I know A equal to 3, and I know R equal to minus 2. So it's very easy to now write those numbers. The first number will be A will be nothing but equal to 3. AR 3 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 6. AR square, so nothing but 3 into minus 2 whole square, that is 12. And the next number is AR cube, 3 into minus 8, that's nothing but equal to minus 24. These are the four numbers. Let us check. We know A3 minus A1 is 9. Let us check that. A3 minus A1 is 9, correct. And also we know A2 minus A4 is 18, minus 6 minus of minus 24, that is also equal to 18. So our solution is correct. These are the four numbers which we need. How we have done that? We have taken them in the general geometric progression, AR square, AR cube. We have been given two conditions. We have two variables to find out A and R. Once we find them out, we know the numbers. That's pretty easy problem. So let's do one more.